Good evening. This is another short video on graphing linear functions. Now, remember I said before you start writing one exam, go to the last question. If you see one of these, you need to write down some things immediately, right? So now let's find this. There is a way you can do this. You can plot these 3 points given, and you can pick these other 2 points off of the graph, really, if you are strapped for time, all right? But we are going to do things a long way. So now we have this equation here. I can separate this into 2 parts. Y is equal to 20 over 4 minus 3 over 4, right? So that is what I did here. Y is equal to 20 over 4 minus 3 over 4. So that's equal to 5 minus 3x. But normally the x term comes first, so we get minus 3 over 4x plus 5, where minus 3 over 4 is actually the slope of the line. Now we said when x equal to 2, I can find out that y is equal to 3.5. It might be kind of hard to pick that off of the graph, so we may have to calculate that one. But the other one you can pick off the graph. When x is equal to 8, y is going to be equal to minus 3. Wherever x is, I'm going to write 8. Minus 3 times 8 divided by 4 plus 5, that's equal to negative 1. So we're able to find, so now we have all of the points. So now what we can do is we can plot the line, which is right here. See, and if you notice something, I missed out one here. That was the one where it was 0.5 or something like that, all right? It lies right there. So I've got when x is minus 4, y is going to be 8, see that? And when x is minus 2, I got, when x is 0, I got y is 5, etc., etc. When x is 4, I got y is 2. So you just draw the line through there. I label the equation of the line. Now it says here in part C, calculate the gradient of your graph in B. All right. Now to calculate the gradient, I had to stop the video because I had forgotten to calculate the gradient, part C. All right, it says, so the slope, now this is one of those things you have to write down immediately if you see this question. Slope is equal to y minus y1 over x minus x1. Now, I can choose 2 points on this line. I'm going to choose 2 points that I didn't calculate. I'm going to choose 0 and 5 and 4 and 2, just in case you happen to be wrong. Right? So 0, 5, 4, 2. So I'm going to say, I'm going to call these my x and y. I'm going to call this x1, y1. So now the equation is the slope is equal to y, 2, minus y1, 5, over x, 4, minus x1 is 0. 2 minus 5 is minus 3. 4 minus 0 is 4, so I get minus 3 over 4, which we expected. See? This is the slope of the line, minus 3 over 4. Another graph, part D, goes through the point minus 4, minus 2, and has a gradient of 1/2. Now, this is where we can use that formula again. See, we have the slope, m is equal to 1, the slope, or the gradient, is equal to 1/2, and we also call it m, passing through the point minus 4, minus 2. So the x coordinate always first and the y coordinate always second. So using this formula again, the same one I told you to write down for part C, we can use it again. So wherever m is, I'm going to write 1/2, and y minus, y1 is going to be minus 2, but there's a minus sign already, that's why I have minus 2. X over x minus x1. x1 is going to be minus 4. X minus minus 4. Negative times negative is a positive. See? Negative times negative is a positive. See that? Negative times negative is a positive. 1/2 is equal to y plus 2 over x plus 4. We cross multiply. So I get 1 times x plus 4 is equal to 2 times y plus 2. X plus 4 is equal to 2y plus 4. I'm going to bring the 4 over. I get x plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 2y. X is equal to 2y. Dividing through by 2, because I must always get my linear function in the terms y is equal to mx plus c. So y must be on one side, and the m and the everything else must be on the other side. So I get y is equal to 1/2 x over 2, which is simply saying 1/2 x. Now to plot this graph, we need at least 2 points, but we are going to do 3, because sometimes the eyes are a little crooked. So I'm going to plug in when x is 0. When x is 0, I get 1/2 of 0 is 0, so y is 0. When x is 2, I get y is equal to 1/2 of 2, which is going to be 1. When x is 4, I'm going to get y is equal to 1/2 of 4, which is 2. Now I can plug these points. right here. I see this is line going this way. I put the points and I write the equation of the line on the line, and the wonderful thing is they intersect right there, which is the next part of the question. It says to write down the point of intersection. They intersect at 4, x is 4, y is 2. Be blessed.